Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing these deliciously crunchy coconut cookies. If you love coconut and if you love cookies, then these are a winning combo for you. They are cracky tops, give them visual appeal and a homey look. They are perfect, very crisp, not too sweet, and filled with crunchy toasted coconut for lots of flavor and a nice play of textures. So let's get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for the dough and the ingredients for the glaze. Preparation. Preheat the oven to the temperature shown. The method. We are on stage 1, preparing the dough. So add in the sugar and the butter to a large mixing bowl and whisk really well until the mixture is light and creamy. Now add in the vanilla extract and continue to whisk. Add in the desiccated coconut and sift in the plain flour, baking powder, baking soda and the salt. Sifting helps to air up the flour and to remove any lumps that may exist. Now use a spatula to mix. Using your hands, mix and bring together to form a dough. You will notice that the dough is very crumbly. Now shape into small round balls of 20 grams each. Wow, that was a perfect 20 grams, good estimation. Now flatten slightly. Make sure they're all evenly flat to allow them to bake and brown evenly. Bake in a preheated oven for 15 to 17 minutes or until the edges turn light brown. Note, the longer you bake, the more crunchier it will become. Then remove from the oven when done and transfer onto a wire rack to cool completely. Note, the lovely cracks are what we are looking for in these finished cookies. As mentioned earlier, their cracky tops give them visual appeal and a homey look. We're on stage 2, preparing the glaze. So add the vanilla extract and the water a little at a time to the sugar in a mixing bowl. Mix well until the mixture reaches a pipeable consistency. There you see it. Now fill the glaze into a piping bag. Cut off a very small tip of the bag to create a thin flow. Now pipe the glaze over the cookies to create a cool pattern. Note, use your creativity to decorate the cookies as you wish. Sometimes the best looking cookies have the simplest design. And there you have it, deliciously crunchy coconut cookies with their cracky tops that give them visual appeal and a homey look. So thank you for stopping by. Give this recipe a try, have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other baking recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on the screen right now and watch another video.